I think even though people can talk bad about you and do bad things to you, as long as you hold your character high and you act proper in your manner, no matter what is going on or how you're being treated, it really, really does have an impact on the way people will view you and view your religion. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sara. I've been a practicing revert for 6 months now, alhamdulillah. The Quran has changed my life in very, very significant ways. From reading the Quran and opening the book, I have realized that it's not like any other book I've ever read or anything I've ever experienced in my life. It really touches your heart and opens it up. I don't really know what's in here, so I'm a bit nervous. Okay, so it's a box. Yes, a box. And there's a Quran in it. I really like the color. When you open it up, it says the Quran is the word of the ever-living God. It has been sent down to guide humanity for all times to come. I think if this is what comes with it, that's incredible. Like, that is really, really cool. Okay, and then it just has it in English. The way things that are explained isn't hard. So like some things that you read, you feel like it's in Shakespeare language, but this, like, it's very easy. I feel like even someone who isn't Muslim that was looking into Islam, this would benefit them because they would be getting their information firsthand from the correct source. It also in here shows how to pray, which was something I really, really struggled with, and being a revert, this would have really, really helped me because I, for a while, wasn't praying because I was too embarrassed to ask. So I feel like this is really encouraging and very, very step by step. Yeah, no, this is incredible. I've never ever seen anything like it. I believe everyone should definitely get this book and read it. It is so beneficial and it is just so in basic language. You don't have to be an expert or have a uni degree to understand it. It's really, really easy to read and it has lots of extra information that would really, really benefit you if you were looking into Islam or if you are a Muslim and just wanted to increase your knowledge, inshallah.